In the vast and diverse landscapes of Africa, a majestic giant roams. The African elephant, the largest land mammal on Earth, embodies the beauty and strength of the wild. African elephants are found in 37 countries across the continent, from the lush forests of Central Africa to the arid deserts of Namibia. There are two subspecies, the African bush elephant and the African forest elephant. These intelligent and social animals play a crucial role in their ecosystems. The African elephant is distinguished by its large ears, which help regulate body temperature, and its long, powerful trunk, used for breathing, drinking, and grabbing objects. Males, known as bulls, can weigh up to 14,000 pounds. While females, or cows, are slightly smaller. Their tusks, made of ivory, are used for digging, foraging, and defense. Elephants live in matriarchal herds, led by the oldest female. These herds are composed of related females and their offspring. Bulls typically leave the herd when they reach adolescence, forming bachelor groups or living solitary lives. The matriarch is responsible for guiding the herd, making decisions, and passing on knowledge of migratory routes and water sources. African elephants are herbivores, consuming up to 300 pounds of vegetation daily. Their diet includes grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark. They use their trunks to pluck leaves and branches, while their tusks strip bark from trees. Elephants play a vital role in their ecosystem by dispersing seeds and creating clearings that benefit other species. Before we move on to the video, if you haven't seen our video on the top 5 most dangerous shark in the world, grab your seatbelt because it's a shocking and thrilling ride. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support gives me the motivation to create these amazing videos for you. Now, let's dive back into the video. Elephants have a long gestation period of 22 months, the longest of any land animal. Calves are born weighing around 250 pounds and are cared for by the entire herd. This communal care ensures the calves' survival, as they are vulnerable to predators and environmental challenges. Elephants communicate through a range of vocalizations, from trumpets and rumbles to low-frequency infrasound that can travel miles. They also use body language, such as ear flapping and trunk gestures, to convey emotions and intentions. Their intelligence is evident in their problem-solving abilities, use of tools, and deep social bonds. Despite their strength and size, African elephants face numerous threats. Poaching for ivory has decimated populations, while habitat loss due to agriculture and development encroaches on their territory. Human-elephant conflict arises when elephants raid crops, leading to fatalities on both sides. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring their survival. Organizations and governments are working tirelessly to protect African elephants. Anti-poaching units, protected areas, and community-based conservation programs aim to safeguard these magnificent animals. By addressing human-wildlife conflict and promoting sustainable development, we can create a future where elephants and humans coexist harmoniously. The African elephant is a symbol of the wild, embodying the beauty, strength, and fragility of nature. Their survival depends on our actions and our commitment to conservation. Together, we can ensure that these gentle giants continue to roam the African plains for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of the African elephant. If you enjoyed this documentary, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more wildlife stories.